Welcome, and this is our Project Quality Management Driving Organizational Success. Why are we here? Evergreen management is currently facing product quality problems, which lead to rework, delivery delays, and decreased trust from their stakeholders. The technical skills of team members remain intact, yet the project suffers because leaders fail to participate in planning work and quality assurance tasks. The purpose of this training program exists to enhance management responsibility for quality control, which will establish forward-thinking methods that lead to enduring success for the organization. Project quality matters to every organization as it provides a foundation for the team to build and continuously improve. Ensuring quality is a measure for risk mitigation by setting a roadmap that communicates the team's goals and how to best achieve it. Controlling the narrative by providing the team a procedure will allow them to recognize when the project is going off track much more easily. Problems easily snowball into larger ones, so they must be detected as early as possible. The resulting documentation from the procedures will continuously improve as the team encounters new problems and solutions. Project quality management directly affects the health of an organization. When organizations handle quality management properly, their projects see decreased defects and reduced need for rework, which results in better financial management and improved project timetable predictions. Organizations build better stakeholder trust through strong PQM practices, which help protect their business reputation. The primary focus of PQM exists between two areas, which include establishing preventive measures and maintaining ongoing enhancement. The project's management and team will ultimately set the tone in regards for training within the organization. Management's attitude towards the team is evident through the effort put into ensuring the team's safety and success. If the management's attitude towards safety procedures is lacking, then the team is likely to pick it up and influence their team to disregard safety whenever it is not convenient. If the training's execution is poor, it will have a negative effect on the team's quality and performance. As we examine the factors that drive effective management and training, several critical success elements stand out. Leadership sets quality expectations, while strong cultural and management behavior reinforce accountability and team standards. Continuous improvement relies on defined procedures to reduce risk, early issue detection to prevent escalation, and lessons learned to enhance future outcomes. This includes standardized processes, clear documentation, and knowledge sharing, ensuring consistency, enable tracking, and building long-term quality within our projects. As a leadership team, we focus on 6 key attributes of project quality management. This includes continuous improvement, audits, balancing scope, time, and cost, customer satisfaction, and defining quality standards. By continuously improving and auditing our processes, we prevent repeated mistakes and maintain high standards. We strive to meet customer needs, balance deliverables with resources, and ensure our work aligns with project goals and agreements. Our shared goal with our clients is to deliver a high-quality project that adapts to changing needs. Continuous improvement is a constant effort to better the project process and deliverables throughout the entire project, not just toward the end. This is extremely important because continuous improvements you can avoid quality issues, rework, and more cost. If the issues are adjusted early, the project will be more successful with costs and timelines. This also helping the team to learn from mistakes and reduces risk. Quality audits are reviews that evaluate whether project activities follow quality standards and processes. Quality audits make sure projects are following the standards that are planned and expected. Audits help prevent repeated failures by identifying issues early. Audits reduce risk by addressing issues before they affect deliverables or quality. All things in life require balance. Projects are no exception. The 3 common constraints, scope, time, and cost, are often at odds with each other. One limited constraint will require action from the others to prevent from a project failure. This can be done by defining a goal that considers the team's current constraints. This plan is not final as the stakeholders may have considerable input that requires significant changes. Sometimes project-defining constraints appear as we go, as we must keep an eye out for signs of trouble. Customer satisfaction is a goal of any well-minded organization, such as ours. A defining pillar to satisfaction is communication. Expectations are difficult to manage if left to our imaginations, untethered by reality. Continuous monitoring, mentioned before, will give us a solid understanding of a project and communicate its status to primary stakeholders. Communication allows for the other party to express any pivots they might want to make to best fit their vision. This allows the project team to make decisions based off the customer's expectations and the realities of the project. This discussion opens a door to higher customer satisfactions and team morale. By having a quality standard and metrics to show what the stakeholder and clients are expecting, using this upfront can clear any confusion from your project management team as well as the clients. This gives the standards that your organization will uphold throughout the entire project. You can track and evaluate specific aspects in the project and determine the current state of the project. You can also find where the project needs are needed to adjust or improve. The project as a whole can always be more effective and efficient and can help you build a strong relationship within stakeholders. Quality metrics are essential for projects as they provide valuable insight, enable proactiveness with decision making, and ensuring customer satisfaction. We have the ability to enhance project outcomes and drive the project into success. Deliverables can change within a project. You have to stay up to date with the deliverables and ensure that it falls with the company standards as well as the client standards. It is a secondary part of the previous critical takeaway. Deliverables are up to date. It can ensure that the project is on time and within the allotted budget without any issues. Staying on task and helping the project team to be focused on the project deliverables will make the project move smoothly as well as effectively. There are many tools that go along with these previous takeaways. The first analytical tool that can be used in project quality management are flowcharts. These are graphical devices that help show the different paths and decisions, giving an overview of a project. It helps by showing where there are unnecessary or redundant steps that can harm the project. They are used as a prevention tool and are valuable to any type of project. They are able to help identify bottlenecks and unwanted redundancies, often partnered with check sheets. The major downside to flowcharts is that they have to be continuously updated to make sure the information is still accurate to the project's current data and information. The second analytical tool that can be used in project quality management are check sheets. They are a tool that is used to track and record errors, defects, or occurrences. This is helpful because it shows actual data rather than just opinions or hearsay. However, there is a downside to them. They are recorded by humans and there is always a chance for human error. If used correctly, they can help the project see where most of the problems are occurring and how to fix them. There are many helpful tools in project quality management, but these two work well together and help find and prevent errors and issues before they can occur. As we wrap up to our conclusion, the training will reinforce management's responsibility for quality by bringing the focus back to leadership and accountability. It will remind management that quality is not just a task, but management's responsibility to set clear expectations from the very beginning until the very end. Training will remind management that when they stay involved, projects are more predictable and less expensive because of less rework and fewer preventable issues. This training helps build a quality culture where teams know where quality is important. The final message or call to action that will be delivered to managers is a commitment for quality training, where management will commit to deliver high quality. Managers will use basic measures like checking the quality of tasks regularly and addressing quality early instead of leaving it to the very end. The training will encourage management to define quality standards at the start of the project, review check sheet results during execution, and use flowcharts to spot gaps in the process. Overall, strong quality leadership protects Evergreen from repeated failures, reduces risk, improves stakeholders' trust, and supports long-term success. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for so much for listening, and here's our references.